Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Pikachu. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. And here I have again, little Blakey, say hi.
Hi.
All right, so we're in our outline layer. We're gonna grab a black marker and we're gonna start with the ears. Is Pikachu your favorite character?
Yes.
Then that's his the top of his head. And then his other ear. Now we're gonna do his face. So it goes like that. And then the other side goes like that.
Oopsies.
All right, now we can do his eyes. So it's just a circle. And then the other eye. And then he has his cheeks. And then his mouth has like a huge smile. And then a little nose. And then he also has his pupils, but these are reflections. So it's gonna draw a little circle like that. And then we can paint his eyes black. You all good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we can do his right arm. So it's in the lips like this. And then he has like, I think it's 5 fingers, I'm not sure. That looks like more than 5 fingers, so let me try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then he has all this going on this side. I think this is his other finger. And then here is his other arm going up. And then his tail. And then his body. And his toes. Oh, sorry, am I going too fast?
Yes.
Okay, I'll let you catch up. Then the bottom of his body. And his other foot. And then I'm just gonna close his body right there. Now we can paint some of these parts black. So this goes like that. This one goes like this. You already got that done. And now we just got to do the roof of his mouth black. So it's just this part.
I think he has teeth.
And now we're ready to color. So let's go into our color layer. And I already have Pikachu's color palette. So we can start with a dark orange because we're gonna do some highlights. So the bottom of his feet have a little bit of an orange thing going on here, like this. And also on the bottom of his arm. And then up here we have some color. Go like this. And then on his ear has a little bit also. And then we're gonna grab a darker brown because there's a big shadow right here. Now we're gonna grab a red and we're gonna do the cheeks. And also his tongue. There's a lighter red just up here. And now we can color everything yellow. And there you go, guys. There's Pikachu from Pokemon. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe.